What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of recovering deleted chats on Instagram. Whether you accidentally deleted a conversation or need to revisit important messages, this step-by-step guide will help you recover your lost chat quickly and effectively. First, let's open the Instagram app, and after that, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. While we are in the menu tab, tap Account Center. While we are in Account Center, tap Your Information and Permission. Inside of this tab, tap Download Your Information. After that, tap Download or Transfer Information. From here, choose your Instagram account. After choosing your Instagram account, tap Continue. Now, tap some of your information. The app will ask what information you want for this profile. Since we're here to find deleted chats on Instagram, locate the messages, so scroll down until you find messages and tap on it to check the box. After that, tap Next. From here, tap Download to device. Now you have to create files to download by just tapping the Create Files button. Now wait for the mail from Instagram. It's either through Gmail or other accounts that are connected to Instagram. Once it sends, tap Download Your Information. You can now see your deleted messages on Instagram. Recovering deleted chats on Instagram can be done by checking your archive or using the data download feature. Always remember to regularly back up important conversations to avoid losing them in the future. If you have further questions or run into issues, consider reaching out via the comments or email for assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.